Hey everyone, we've modified the ECM Addon's hotkey switching system. Now for those who had problems with this system works better. After installing the addon, go to the Preferences menu and find the ECM addon. We have something new here. This function will create a list of hotkeys for switching ECM. First, select the path to save the list. I already have a file here. Let me delete it. Select any of your folders to save the text file. It's best not to delete this folder, otherwise it won't work. Then we create the list itself. Now we can go in and see what we have created. These features conflict with the add-on's hotkeys and will be toggled on and off when the activation button is pressed. In this list, we have the functions, what mode they are in, whether they were active or not at the time the list was created, and the hotkey that calls them. For example, we have a duplicate segment function. It matches the hotkey for duplicating in Blender, so it is in this list. The same goes for all other keys. The system will find these conflicting keys and add them to the list to be disabled when activated. To make the add-in use this list instead of the standard switch, check the box to activate it. It is advisable to create the list after installing the add-in before pressing the activation key for the first time. Otherwise, it is better to disable the activation key, create a list, and then check the functions in the list. If some functions that were disabled were enabled, write false in the list. But if you change the add-on's hotkeys or experience problems with the keys after installing other add-ons, you'll need to recreate the list to ensure it includes the new data. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps those who are faced with the problem of enabling inactive hotkeys.